guys, hope you all doing well. Today we're gonna pretend it's December and we're gonna open another advent calendar. I got myself here a little cozy candles, thinking it's that time of the year that we need to relax and pamper ourselves with more goodies. And this is my second advent calendar on this channel and I'm very excited, even though this one is not a famous one. I mean, it's actually one of the less known brands, I guess, but I'm very excited because I think I've got really into the fever of advent calendars, and considering I hadn't opened any until now. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you could tell already, today's advent calendar is from Technic, and to be honest, I didn't even knew about this brand until Steph Toms, you obviously know who is she, mentioned this brand and she actually collabed with them. And this was originally 25 quid, now down to 15 quid, I guess, because that's was the price I got it with, and now it's only 13 quid on sales on this website, I think allbeauty.com. I mean, I don't have high expectations because for 20 quid, you know what I mean, right? But anyway, that's not the point of this. Let's just crack on and see what do we have in this advent calendar. I must say I quite like the design. It's very interesting. It's something that I would actually do myself because I love these gorgeous shapes of like Christmas trees and little stars. So the first is number one right here, and let's see. Okay, we are starting up with a little eyeshadow palette, which looks very cute. It has like purplish, I mean all of them are like quite shimmery shades, but yeah, I think I like it, you know, it's very compact and tiny and you can get it like go places, I guess, because it can fit in your travel makeup bag. And next we got number two, and let's see if we're gonna play again that game if I can't find a number. So number two is just right here. I hope you can see it. It's a very tiny one in the corner. Okay, under number two we have a little pencil sharpener, I guess. I mean, that's not very exciting, but we gotta have this as well, right? And personally, I don't have any of them, so I think that's pretty good. Next, we have day number three, and day number three is a big chunky ass number. I mean, shape right here. Oh, wow. Okay, as you can see, under number three, we have a tiny, oh my, I hope I'll be able to get this out of here without destroying it. So it's a little mirror which was actually glued here. I mean, I can see myself, it does a job. The next we got number four, and the number four we have, okay, what is this? That is very interesting. Is this tube and this greenish shade which says Colour Corrector. So I suppose you mix it with something and it corrects a color. I mean, I'm not an expert, but I'll just have a research and see actually for what it is. Day number five. Oh, it's again one of those mini eyeshadows, which is pretty sweet. I love the colors. They're very like peachy, brownish, sort of neutral with one shimmery. By the way, I've never tried this brand before, so I might do a video that I will try this brand, or I think I'm gonna do something even better. I'm gonna do a little giveaway and mix some of the things from here and some from my previous advent calendar. If you haven't seen it, then it's somewhere here up. Go check it out. Now let's move on. It's number six. Might be like a little eyeliner or so. This is a tiny mascara, which is again very compact, and I like when I find mascaras in the advent calendars because, you know, I like to test from different brands and see if they're actually worth it. Day number seven. Oh, okay. So here we have like a little nail thing, nail file. Yeah, nail file. I always forget how I call these things. Day number eight. Oh, okay, that's a new product. It's a little nail polish in this very purplish shade, which is quite nice, like shimmery, very Christmassy. Day number nine, and it's just here. Wow, okay, I'm excited for this one. So under, okay, I think I have one that's been falling and I don't know from where it's been falling. That's just strange. Under number nine, yeah, under number nine I have again a tiny eyeshadow, this time with green colors, which are very chic. I'm actually in love with this shade. Day number 10. Okay, it's a long one again, and it's just, oh, okay. Day number 10 we have a little pencil, which actually makes sense because earlier we had like a little sharpener, so that's pretty good. I love this color Actually, it's my favorite color, like the nudish kinda. Very nice color, I love it. Day number 11 is right here in the corner, and let's see what surprise we have this time. Under number 11 we have a lipstick, and this is a very interesting, I think it's a coral shade, which I quite like. I think for spring summer will go really well. We are halfway through, and day number 12, it's a long guy right here. Excited for long guys. maybe an eyeliner. What do you think? Oh, wow! I actually guessed crazy. It's a little eyeliner, a little pencil, like the most basic eyeliner ever. Day number 13, and this one is right here. I hope you can see it. Under this day we have another nail polish, and it's a very shimmery slash goldish color, which is very nice. Day number 14, and it's my lucky number and my all-time favorite number. In case you're wondering, it's my birthday on 14, that's why. So day number 14, it's right here, and it's a big one. So excited. Oh wow, what is this? I'm confused. Oh wait, now I think I know what it is. It's one of those things that I always forget how it's called. It's one of those many things that I guess you put on your eyelid, on your eyebrows, so basically to make like a nice shape, even though they're like so freaking huge. And I like my fluffy eyebrows. I wouldn't trade my fluffy eyebrows for such shape. Would you? Day number 15, and where is that number? We have, oh, it's like a little mini sponge for the face, I guess. Look how tiny, it's such a teeny tiny beauty blender. Yeah, beauty blender. It's like so freaking tiny. I think it would be good for like to set the powder and the concealer under the eye. Otherwise, day number 16, and let's see, what do we have here? Oh, we have again another lipstick. This time we have like a very interesting lipstick in this shade, which doesn't say the shade, but it's a very nice like autumnish slash, it's like plum. Day number 17. Was it 17? Yes, 17. I'm very bad with the numbers. The day number 17 is just right here. Hope you can see. Okay, we have something falling here, and it's a highlighter, which looks very interesting. I think it's a liquid highlighter, and I hadn't had one of this for like ages. I mean, so far until now we have such a big diversity, which I quite like. I like when we have, you know, like many products, not tons of for the same thing, which happens all the damn time in these advent calendars. Number 18, it's a long guy right here. Long guy. What do I have with long guys? Day number 18, we have this very interesting lip liner pencil, which I think is the third one. Oh wait, no, it's the second one, because we had one lip liner and one eyeliner. Day number 19 is just right here. Oh, okay, talking me about the fact that we have diversity and we have many products. Well, let me tell you, I have again a nail polish. Just struggling to get it out of here. I'm a makeup product. Get me out of here. This is how it should be called. So this is the shade. It's a purplish one. Again, very shimmery. Not my thing. Day number 20, and it's right here. Okay, day number 20 is not very exciting, is it? Because we have a little toenail separator, which I guess is quite useful when you do your pedicure. But yeah, again, one of those things that you would never miss, right? Day number 21, and 21 is a little guy right here in the corner, just up. So this is a little, I think it's a brush. Yeah, it's obviously a brush blush. A brush for the blush. Day number 22, and it's again a big one here. It's actually a little palette, which is eyebrow powder. I mean, this looks freaking cool. I love it. Day number 23. So close to the end. Oh, okay. One of those very exciting ones. Basically, it's a little pot of, I think it's glitter. Yeah, that's what it says. It's a little pot of nail gems. Oh my god, that's such a useful thing. I literally do my nails every day, all day. Day number 24, and it's a big one. It's Christmas Eve, and let's see, what do we get? Oh wow, so we ending this advent calendar with the banger, because let me tell you, under number 24 we have a huge ass palette, which hopefully I'll be able to take it out. Okay, so under number 24 is this absolutely huge ass bronzer, which, I mean, I'm quite happy. It looks impressive. I would be happy to end the advent calendar with such thing. Maybe a little bit too dark, but it looks pretty cool. That's a very nice ending. So that was me unboxing the Technic advent calendar. I think for 20 quid it's an alright advent calendar. I mean, if it would cost more, I would be a little bit suspicious, and definitely a big no, like from the start. But 20 quid down to 15, now on sales for 13. I think you get a nice selection of products. And yeah, don't forget to check out the description box below so you can see how you can enter the giveaway. It's basically a couple of things from the previous advent calendar, and then maybe a couple from here, and maybe a little surprise. So definitely check that out and see what you can get. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you everything what you're gonna get, because that's gonna be a surprise. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos. And apart from that, see you next time. Mwah.